Well, I went to the mailbox today, and it looks like it's time for another unboxing video. Oh, wait a minute, that one's Amazon. But let's open it anyway, right? Acoustic panels. Guess what I'm going to be doing? Building a studio. All behind the scenes stuff here. And I should probably be using this, but it's still in the package and I got to charge the battery up. This is a new wireless microphone, which I hope will work. The last one didn't work so well, and hopefully this one does a better job. I don't know. We'll find out. Coming up, some improvements in the audio on this channel. Okay, now we get to what our viewers have sent us. I think we're going to start with this one here, because this one here, I know this person personally. He, in the early days of the Brook Railroad, he helped me build track, and he supplied a lot of ties for me early on. Kyle Stockman. He wrote a book, and this, I believe, is that book. So let's open up the package here. He told me it's not very interesting, but I don't believe him. Let's see. There we go. That'll open up like that. There. I'll be careful I don't mess up the book. There we go. Yes, it is his new book. This is Kyle Stockman's new book, A Railroader's Journey. I haven't read through it yet. I don't know much about it yet, and there's no foreword or anything. But he signed it. Got a little note here. He's worked on a bunch of different railroads. Started with the Brook Railroad, actually. No, wait a minute. He started at Green Mountain Railroad, where I was at the time. Then moved on to the Brook Railroad, and then he ran off and joined the circus, literally, Ringling Brothers, where he worked on the train. And then he's gone to some other railroads. See, there's a picture of his time at Green Mountain. He absolutely loves that engine. He's obsessed by it. It became the butt of many jokes over the years. But, oh yeah, he's also done some volunteering up at the Passumpsic Railroad, which has one of the few working Heislers in the country. That is in, somewhere in the Connecticut River Valley. I'm trying to think of the name of the town. Barnett or something like that. Barnett, Vermont. But he's done some work at Clark's Trading Post, the White Mountain Central Railroad, and then he went out west after he joined the circus, and went to Willits, California, the California Western, and a couple other places. So, yeah, this is some of his pictures of the times at Ringling Brothers. So, yeah, check this book out. It's I don't know how well it reads. I haven't read it yet. I had just heard about it, and I said, "Hey, Kyle, I'd like a copy of your book. I'll read it. I'll tell people about it." So, yeah, check out this book. It ought to be an interesting book, if nothing else, but for some interesting stories of a modern-day railroader who's been to a bunch of little short lines and who has worked on the circus train, which is a rather rare thing. So, it's called A Railroader's Journey by Kyle A. Stockman, and I have no idea where to get it other than look it up online. He probably has copies of it through Facebook. So, anyway, on to the next package. This is from Gary down in New Jersey. Thank you, Gary. By the way, thank you, Kyle, for that book. See, I told you I'd talk about your book. Okay. So let's open this package here. I have no idea what's in this one. It's well packed anyway. Or thickly packed. So let's see. Hand warmers. Oh yes. Been watching my track work videos. That's pretty good. Lots of hand warmers. And more hand warmers. Is it a foot warmer? It's a foot warmer. I expected one of those. And a couple of tracts, which I'm actually very thankful for. So, I've been known to hand some of those out myself. And that's another tract. Spreading the hope. So I'm not going to share his address, but thank you, Gary, for these gifts and for the hand warming gifts. So there we go. That's the video we've got for today. I don't think I'll do a review of the microphone. I don't do reviews on this channel, but you'll know if I like it because I'll start using it and I'll keep using it. And if I don't like it, I won't keep using it. But we'll try it out, see how it works. And for all the folks that send stuff, thank you very much. You can find more about where to send things if you want to be featured in an unboxing at millbrookrailroad.com. Thank you very much. Have yourself a great day.